Hi beautiful, and welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we have this fresh and simple look for my ladies out there that do not like to wear too much makeup, heavy makeup and all of that, contouring and harsh contouring and blush and all of that, those heavy ones. So I already have a skin prep video on how to prep the skin. It is just before this one, so after you're done watching this one, you can go ahead and see the skin prep video. So first things first, if you can tell or you can see, her face is a lot darker than her body, so I'm just matching her face to her body just in case you see me applying a lighter foundation. So the foundation I used is the Blossom foundations. I mixed two of them, and I also added a bit of concealer, that is Blossom concealer in shade 02. Okay, so I added that concealer. Thank you so much for all the love and support on the channel. It means a whole lot to me. I'm back to being consistent, and I'm also going to tell you guys in this video the best time to post on Instagram if you're a beautician. Okay, I'm going to be sharing that just in a minute. Please do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I'm just blending the foundation into the skin. Now why I'm doing this is I don't want to paste, okay? So the brush is going to help me to go in with minimal product, and I'm just spreading that all over the skin. I want a very light coverage so that the skin can still look breathable. I want you to see the dark spot, but I don't want you to see too much, if that makes sense. Okay, I want a bit of coverage, but I don't want too much as well. So yeah, that is what we're trying to achieve, minimal product, and I'm going to make sure I blend that. Okay, so let me leave you to watch this for a bit and I'll be back. So this is what skin looks like right now. Very beautiful. As you can see, you can still see the skin, okay, peeping through, and the shade match is amazing. So now we're going to just cover the under eye and cover the under eye bag, and I'm just going to apply the concealer on under the eye, the forehead, bridge of the nose, the chin, the cupid's bow and all of that. Then go into blend. If you notice, this is a very different technique. I am not applying contour. No, we're not. Okay, so the best time to post on Instagram, and I'm just saying this from my own perspectives, on Mondays are 6 p.m, 3 p.m and 12 p.m. Those are like the best time for Mondays. And Tuesdays will be 6 p.m, 3 p.m and 9 a.m, being that the work people are now back to work and it's very easy for them to come online. Then Wednesdays are 12 p.m, 9 p.m and 6 p.m. Okay, same thing for Thursday, 3 p.m, 9 p.m, 6 p.m. And Fridays are 9 p.m, 9 a.m, 3 p.m. because it's Friday, people are planning to get off work. Okay, so back to the makeup. I'm going in with the Avor setting powder and the Blossom setting powder, and what I'm doing now is baking. I posted a video on the difference between setting and baking. With baking, with setting you're going in with just the light powder, but with baking you're going in with so much powder. Okay, so I'm just going to bake because I don't want to go back in twice with powders and foundation. Remember, this is a very simple and fresh type of makeup look, so we don't want anything too much. Okay, we want the client to be up and out and still looking pink. Okay, so for Fridays I said 3 p.m, 9 a.m and 12 p.m, while for Saturdays we have 6 p.m, 3 p.m, 12 p.m and even 9 p.m because people are home. Then Sundays 6 p.m, okay, 9 p.m and 3 p.m as well. Of course, people are back from church, they are resting at home, and they are just scrolling through Instagram and trying to see what's happening online. So you're so very welcome. These are the best time to post your content to be able to gain massive views. You're welcome. So I'm going in with a My Color powder palette, and I'm just going to use that to set the rest of the face. Remember, we didn't do any contour of any kind, any cream contour, cream nose contour and all of that. No, we didn't. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be part of the beauty family. Okay, thank you. So for contour, I'm going in with that same palette, and I'm going in light-handedly for this contour. Okay, we don't want any harsh contour, we just want to give the face some structure. This, remember, is a very, very fresh and simple look. We don't want anything too much. We're not going for full glam, we're going for fresh, but still make it look presentable. Okay, you get what I mean? Yeah. Also, beauty family, I am on Instagram at _beautyhq. I always forget to not mention that I am on Instagram at _beautyhq. The same profile picture I have here on YouTube is the same I have on Instagram as well, so it's easy find. Okay, beautyhq. Okay, the best of the best, the best of the best. So straight in, I'm going in for eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is pretty simple, I tell you, but I had to go in with the Flawless eye base. So I'm going in with a transition shade first, just a light powder shade, and I'm going to create the transition first. Then I'll go in with a darker brown to darken the outer V. I'll just let you watch this process because it's quite simple and quite easy. Okay, so what I did was just add a bit of black. Since I'm not going to be lining the eyes with gel liner, I'll only line the waterline. So I had to go in with that black just to smoke out the lower line and form like a wing. You get what I mean? So I'm going in with that shade to just apply on the lids. I'm using earthy and cool tones, just soft browns here and there, because we don't want the eyes, we don't want anything dramatic. Okay, yeah, that is what we're going for. Just a very fresh look and simple. I'm still gonna say fresh and simple because that's what we're actually going for. So I'm just going to use my Blossom gel liner to line the eyes. This is a must because this is the only thing that is going to show forth and show out, just to give the eyes some definition. Okay, so for brows, I'm not doing anything on this brows. I just brush it up with a spoolie, and I went in to just form strokes. Honestly, didn't do concealer, no nothing. This was all I did for the brows, and it still came out really bomb. Remember, we're going for this no makeup type of look because the girlies don't want to wear anything heavy. They don't want defined brows. Okay, for the lips, I'm just going to apply the highlighter first, just going to apply the glow. Then I'll go in with my Davy's pencil to line the lips very well, and I'll go in with this nude shade to just pop in the center. You know, let's just allow the lips to show forth and show out, but still soft. Okay, still very soft. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that in the center of the lip. Oh my god, the look is already given, I can tell you that, and I'm sure you can see it. Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you subscribed? Go ahead and subscribe. I'm waiting. Okay, waiting. Yes, I'm just gonna blend that in. This is almost like her lip shade, so it works. Going in now to coat the lashes, and also the lashes that I use, the false lashes that I use is by Vowan Beauties. I just have to put that in there. So after this is done, we're just going to go ahead to do some finishing touches, which is just to dust off the under eye and powder the entire face before we go into the next step. So yeah, finishing touches, just apply the powder and all of that, and let's lock that in. So we're gonna spray down the face using the Blossom Fix Plus, and after that is done, just make sure to let it dry down before you go into any step. Okay, so I'm just going to coat the lower lash line, and I'm going in with the cheek lace. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the cheek lace. It is an orange / yellow shade. It is best for light skin only. Best for light skin. It just added that soft glow. Can you see that? It added that soft babyish glow, still maintaining that freshness of the look. Okay, very fresh, very beautiful, very fresh, very beautiful, very fresh. Don't mind, I'm just kidding, but you get what I mean. Okay, it's still very fresh. Okay, so that is all we're gonna do, and I'm gonna apply highlighter. I'm gonna apply highlighter on this high point of the face, just basically anywhere that I want light to hit. Thank you so much for watching, my beauty family. Until the next video, please make sure to stay beautiful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.